Tim, can I go back to you for a second and just dig in on this James Harden situation a little bit, listed with an Achilles injury? I know he hasn't played since last Monday. What are you hearing about his status?
Well, Hannah, he could be back as soon as tonight against the Denver Nuggets. On Friday, I asked Doc Rivers, with James Harden, who is on this trip with the Sixers, could come back and play either Saturday in Phoenix or tonight against Denver. He said it was possible he would play against Phoenix, and more likely he would play tonight in Denver. And he pointed to the fact that James Harden came on this trip as a sign that it was possible he would come back and play during these 4 games. As you mentioned, he's been out for the past few games with Achilles soreness. Last Monday, he looked pretty rough in a home game against the Chicago Bulls. He was limping in the locker room after the game. He's missed the last 3 contests with that left Achilles soreness, but I do think there's a chance he comes back as soon as tonight. And the Sixers don't believe this is going to be something that's a long-term issue, but with the playoffs approaching, they want to make sure that he's as healthy as possible as they try to finally get past the second round for the first time in the Joel Embiid era.
Yeah, exactly, which is really hard to wrap your brain around. And how about Denver? They're playing a little bit better now, went through a rough patch, but they're looking for their 5th win in 6 games. Should be a fun one.
Thank you for watching ESPN on YouTube. For live streaming sports and premium content, subscribe to ESPN+.